Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the most trending and easiest ways to make money online. This is literally for everyone, whoever you are or wherever you are in the world. It's okay if you have no experience, and it only takes few clicks and few minutes with lifetime passive income opportunity. So if you're a student or even a working adult, or just someone who loves making money without leaving the house, then this is perfect for you. But before anything else, make sure that you have already liked this video and hit that subscribe button down there, including the notification bell, so you can be updated with more videos like this.
Sa mga bago pa lang po sa ating YouTube channel, ako po si Carl Season at nag-upload tayo ng videos kung saan natin sinishare ang mga teknik na nagagamit natin para maging mas mahusay at mas mabilis tayo sa paggawa ng ating school requirements. Nag-upload din po tayo ng iba pang motivational videos at English tutorial videos. Kaya kung gusto nyo po ng ganyang klaseng content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and always feel free to share our videos sa iba.
So let's get straight to the point. This passive income opportunity is about selling low-content books on Amazon. Amazon is basically like Shopee or Lazada here in the Philippines. And the good thing about Amazon is its super wide international range. So logically, you have billions of potential customers around the world. But wait, you don't literally have to be a very intelligent writer or author to publish and sell your low-content books on Amazon. So what are low-content books? Low-content books are simply empty books. These are notebooks, journals, planners, sketchbooks, logbooks, coloring books, among many others. These are like the notebooks that you use in school to write or draw on. And what's good in Amazon is that they have this feature known as Amazon KDP, wherein it helps you to sell these low-content books without actually doing the work. You just need to upload the book into the Amazon KDP platform, and Amazon will take care of all the hard work. Amazon will take in charge in the printing, shipping, and customer service. Amazon will print the book and ship it out directly to the buyer when an order is placed. And the good thing is, it is free to do. Every time a customer buys your book, Amazon will do everything and just pay and pay and pay a royalty to you. That's so good. Even while you're just lying on your bed, you'll make money. Amazon will charge for the printing and shipping only when a sale is generated. So there is no risk and upfront costs involved. And one more thing, there is no limit to how many books you can upload on Amazon. And as I have said, it's totally free. And with this amazing opportunity, there are sellers who earn even up to $2,000 or 100,000 pesos per month. So what do you need to do this very simple but promising business? You only need two things to do. Number one is to create your Amazon KDP account. It's very simple and completely free. Just check the link on the description box later. Number two is to create an account on BookBolt. BookBolt is the software where you can create and design your low-content books in just a matter of minutes. And because I really want you not to miss this wonderful opportunity to make money online, I will show you a walkthrough on BookBolt and at the same time, a tutorial on how to design your low-content books on BookBolt. The link to BookBolt is available on the description box and pinned comment below, and you can check it later. And by the way, please make sure to finish this video because I have a surprise to tell you later. Okay? Again, wait until the end of this video. So after you create an account on BookBolt, here's what you will see on your screen. Let me take you to top features of this software. First, BookBolt has this customer research feature. Through BookBolt, you can find profitable niche. You can identify the best-selling books, what are their designs, what people are buying and searching for the most. And this will help you create low-content books with the maximum earning potential. For example, here on the left side, you can see the cloud icon. Here, you can search for the top-selling books and examine the in-demand designs as well as the price that fits to customers. So let's say you want to create a notebook. On the right side, okay, just choose notebook among any other options. Alright? Then on the left side, you can search for the top 100, 200, or 500 books. But this time, let us make it top 100. You can also see on the left side, here the BSR or best sellers rank and the price range bar to filter your searches, but I'm gonna leave them as is for this time. And we can type here in the keywords, for example, notebook. Then let's hit search. So now you have the list of 100 best-selling notebooks on Amazon KDP. So let's say you can observe that the customers love to buy notebooks with quotation or statements. So maybe you would like to consider designing a cover with quotation. You can also see here the price of each notebook as well as how many sales the seller is generating every month. So for example, let's look at this notebook, Insanely Great Thoughts and Ideas. So as you can see here, you can see that this notebook is sold at $6.99 and is generating 356 sales per month. So if you do the math, just wait, let me get a calculator. 356 times 6.99, that means that this notebook is generating $2,488 or around 136,864 pesos monthly income to its seller. And that's so good. That means that if you somehow create a similar design and concept, you will also have the potential to earn $2,488 monthly for only one notebook. Take note, only one notebook. So if you can sell 2 or even 3 notebooks with the same performance, then you can unlimitedly double or triple your monthly earnings. Now, if you want to know the average price that the customers are buying so that you can set a reasonable price for your item on Amazon, just click this arrow and you can see the data provided by BookBolt for you. Now, the second feature that I want you to know is the Amazon keywords. Again, on the left side, click the keyword option, then search. Now here, you can identify the words or phrases with high volume of searches at the moment. So this means that with this feature of BookBolt, you will be informed if the niche that you are currently thinking is in high demand. Remember, when we are doing business, we are not simply producing the item that we personally want, but we are considering what the people want. And this feature of BookBolt is a great help. So for example, you want to create a notebook with quotes. So just type in here, quotes notebook. All right. So hit search. Ta-da! So here you can see the number of searches on Amazon in this column, then the number of searches on Google, the cost per click, and the level of competition. And you can simply rearrange them like that. All right. So generally, the principle is the higher the number of searches, especially on Amazon, the more in demand the product is. So for example, let's see this keyword, quotes notebook. So this a keyword is being searched 3,803 times every month on Amazon, and it has a very high competition. Now, when we look at the other keywords, for example, this Coats Notebook Journal for Women, and if we also look at the others, then we can see the data provided by BookVault for you. So again, with this amazing research-based feature of BookVault, you can be well-informed on the items and designs that will give you the highest possible income. And you can also know the tags and the keywords to use, so your product can be easily found by your customers. It's like you're a real business owner, that you're doing thorough research on the demands, the competition, and the pricing of the products. And in effect, this will help you boost your income without wasting your time in producing items with low earning potentials. Now, the third feature of BookVault is its free training here on weekly calls. All members of BookVault get access to weekly live webinars in which they can participate to further improve their business strategies. And I personally love these training and videos from BookVault because they are very helpful. Now, the fourth and last feature that I will show to you is the BookVault Studio. This is where you design beautiful book covers with just a few clicks, even if you don't have any design experience. So just click the person icon here on the top right corner, then click BookVault Studio. So just click Project and New Project, and this box will appear. Here on project type, you can choose whether you want to create a book with hardcover or paperback, and for this time I would love to create a paperback with cover and interior, of course. Then here you can put the name for your project, for example, sample project, and then here you can decide for the size of your book. And this time I also prefer 6 by 9 inches. And here you can also choose the interior and paper type based on your preference. You might want it to be black and white with white paper or cream paper and so on. And for this time, let's choose this. Then choose if you want bleed or no bleed. And for now, I'll choose bleed. And finally, you have to decide on the number of pages for your book. And again, you can base the number of pages on the data that you can see on the previous features we have discussed. How many pages do the customers prefer? Do they want 24, 50, or 100? It depends, right? So let's say that this time we think 30 would be perfect. So now let's start creating the project. And there you go. Here on the left section of your screen, you can see all the tools that you can use to design your book. You can change the color of the cover here. For example, let's have it yellow or gold. And of course, we have to hide the cover template so that we can see the effects of our edits. All right. Okay. You can also add texts and pictures. Now take note that the right side of this template will be the front cover of your book and the left side will be the back cover. So let's try to design the cover. Let's say that based on your research, you have observed that people love nature-inspired covers. So here, let's add a picture. You can actually upload your own picture to use as a design material, but if you don't have any picture, then don't worry because BookVault has so many pictures to choose from, and these are absolutely free for commercial use, so you don't have to worry about any copyright issue. So let's say that you want this picture to be the cover of your book. So now we can move it anywhere we want and the way we want, and we can also duplicate the picture so your front and back cover will be consistent and in harmony. All right, You can do it like this. You can cover the entire book. Okay, so let's say that we're good already with this, and we can also add text here and edit its font, color, and styles. For example, you want, as we have seen a while ago in the research, people love to buy notebooks with quotation on its cover. And if we are to make a school notebook, then we might think of a certain statement to which students can relate, right? So let's say that you're already happy with the cover and with the text that you have made. So now, let's design the pages of the book. You don't have to worry as well because BookBolt has so many templates for you. Just click this icon on the left side, page templates, and then pick the best template that you want for your book. All right. This is so amazing. BookBolt has so many templates, pre-created interior designs for you. So if you don't have any design experience, you can easily make your notebook in just a few minutes. So let's say that you want this template. Just click it, apply to all pages, of course, except from the cover, of course. And next, submit. Your low content book is now done. You can also add pictures here if you want. It's up to you. And you can also duplicate your works. For example, you can use your same design for the cover and then produce many copies of it with different interior design templates. And that way your customers can have various choices to choose from. And in a customer's perspective, I can say that I would love that. So let me also show you some of my works here. I'm not a designer, but I think this is good already, maybe. All right, so I have this, start your day with a coffee, and I know a lot of college students and even high school students can relate to this. All right, and I also have this one, need some time alone. So a little bit sentimental or emotional notebook. And I think that a lot of students or even youths will also love this one. So now, once you're done, you just have to download your work, upload it on Amazon KDP, and you can start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars. Well, we can't cover in this video the process of uploading on Amazon, but rest assured that we'll try to make a separate video tutorial for that, including the payout processes. Now, you might want also to explore the features of BookBolt yourself. And again, the link to BookBolt is available on the description box and pinned comment below. You can check it for yourself and start your free trial account immediately. But here's the surprise. Once you are decided to start this amazing online business and avail your BookBolt membership, feel free to use our exclusive discount code below. That's KARL20. Capital KARL 20. If you would avail your BookBolt membership, make sure that you come back here on our video and click my personalized link on the description box or pinned comment below. And of course, you have to enter the code KARL20 to enjoy your 20% off. Thanks to BookBolt because they personally gave us that link and that discount code only for you guys. Don't miss the opportunity to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars from your own homes. Feel free also to share this video to your friends so we can give them the same opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Click the BookBolt link below and start creating your first book now.